Ebusuafo, mami mo bibia kwa ba enfambra GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na wo don sa emia bell ne so ube a notification ene sa ne news e de betun bia ubenye bia tie anase ubenye bia hwe e wo GCN page ha midin e de adwoa searching Kwasi Pratt Jr. ena okase na edensem ena Kwasi Pratt eka. Kwasi Pratt ni sema okay na ne se kamia kwaye se sisi Ghana Police Service no omo eye gino mo nan so afenso gidi eya ba Ghana Police Service ni mu because eniama ba ku mienu bia nansen ekoso ewo Ghana hanom no eya kwaye se sisi Ghana Police Service no omo eni aba omo ho so a sisi no omo eye adwuma ye papa because sisi no Ghana Police Service etisa asem bia si ha na omo adu ho omo akwachi nipa no se ne be ya embra ebeda bebia embra eda anaso omo di nipa no ebefa embra kwan so chese omo antisa asema asia na Ghana Police Service omo edu ho sisia entempa so entino Kwasi Pratt Jr. pa chese sisia Ghana Police Service no gidi ya be ma chese enyama ekono enyama de dana kwan so yie papa na de enti Kwasi Pratt Jr. ka sei na eye na no taxi driver a okotena eye Captain Smart ni show so eye ne interview na Captain Smart interview a oye taxi driver no ensema taxi driver no e kan no yensem keto akra wa ku nipa da wa ye senda opemfu na ye ku no na enkrofo we ba yen ho se yen ku nipa ma omo no mfa nye rituals chese eniama na ensema taxi driver no e kan e wo Captain Smart ni show so no enyensem keto akra adofo ensem no eni eye nyan eni nso eye tan na interview no e kwa wie yi pe ena Ghana Police Service almost hot taxi driver ni muse ko ase ne brahe na eniama wa ye no bra na be ka kire yen na de ugu so ye se wa asese o se won sesa yo eni enim na Ghana football Ghana Police Service abaso papa chese first no radio stations TV stations bo no mo akwakofa asomasi abetena so first no na meku nipa meku penfo meku we ye de ye se ye de rituals na eniama bebre na sisi ma asesa no wa afa ne ho adi na Ghana for say na radio stations na TV stations e Ghana ha no maba e da na ye omo mutumi kofa so mesi betena bekeka ensem ehu sei e bekeka ensem omo dia ye yonko ye nipa Ghana ni na mo agya no ko free ene nya kura enye sasemi ya ma complain wo ho ama so se enkosi aga na no Captain Smart ni show si a taxi driver ekoko kan sensemi Ghana Police Service take action ni and Ghana for say more piafo Ghana Police Service mo ayade because come akwa say no obi a to make cancer no afa ne ho adi free because in the name of masesa no mo di money because obi abeka asem si afa ne ho adi na wa asesa nti o wan ya no hwea sa so no bi ti ba bia onu so be di ewu na later on obeka che Ghana for say wa asesa enti na ze Ghana Police Service je say wa uni mo abeka sensem hu no embra no bedi na wasense memo ena Kwasi Pratt Jr. kire se Ghana Police Service omo ayade papa na sisi eniam esisi no kamia kwaye sisi ahomeka ya ba Ghana Police Service nibo ayisi IGP Dampare ekufu sisi obo adwuma ye papa nti Kwasi Pratt Jr. kire se Ghana Police Service no sisi gidi ya be na nsem sen ena Kwasi Pratt Jr. de etudwa
Masa Daily Statesman chapter 5 tosu song taxi driver arrested for confessing to ritual killing on radio.
That's
the police duma no afi eye jina na so. The police duma no eye jina na so. Kakra bi a ye hu no. It is the police duma no eye ni a ebe ya magana man. Ebe mfi be mienu bi. And someone near Titi. Obi to be bejina radio so. Was it me your suffer. Na ma sorry no me person crofo badu do nti me come motre. Na nsuo ni edi dware ni pa no. Makosabi na me dia holy water na go to no. Owi na ko ni fie no akoda. Obi an misa na sem, obi an kare. Obi was me dia na me sumbe yie pa ti nipa yakum no ha yakuni pa sei ya yesei owia obi emisa no hwe no ko ni fie no akoda radio so television so
crazy yes, me ntawa no
yes sir
and they don't sell less and they don't easily give up. I mean, no, I 7 million yeah. I'm still and I'm saying connection. In person, top machines call another place. Make what you may do. It be ye, it be ye. Sikano nyame say, me gino say, wabum kwasi enti mam, you know, those things. But Sikadi, they bet me a wage you know. But say my classy, I'm a young boy. What do you 41, 42? Okay. Obebu meme kwasi omwakra. Eno de enye djuma. So nti how you perceive life. So you're a lawyer. Ghana lawyers, with all due respect, but a lawyer who wants to succeed in life can do other jobs as well. What do you say? You have an income from the law firm. You have an income from a business. So what you do is when you use the law to raise capital to do other things, any lawyer will work another business apart from the law firm will definitely make more money than Bakuna or stick it to law. Obiawa Okra Masters. You see, let me give you example. See the shape of this water. You see it? This is an art. If I put this here, it gives it a different picture. Yeah. Okay? So if I put this thing on top and it's attractive and it changes the shape of this, I've added value to this. If I'm selling this bottle for 6 cedis, because this paper that you don't even want or respect, I put it on top, I get 7 cedis.
You've added value.
Yes. You need to smell money. Ghana yet tisika who say na a botra ya na ho naba no mabe. This is a ukopong. Usha Chinese ni bi ceramic factory bi a waye wo. Ni enti Ghana ha na. Ni enti ha. Ya benya ne se omowo ni nioma ye kotwa we ni say na we anim white ni e ko ni e ba yete wa na Chinese ni no was smelling money. Emma, go and see the ceramic a year open one so. Another Saturday, when you go there, you see any management, you know, Chinese food. You know, you're Kwasi. Oman Kotoni. Oman Kotoni. Oh. And it's so sad, all these successful companies in Okwa, Ghana ni baku pe and utuya management. Baby, a human in low income jobs, our own citizens are doing it because of dishonesty, because of our bad character, because we are thieves. They relegate us to the background and let foreigners supervise us, and we do the job like donkeys. We got to change our attitude. We cannot continuously be donkeys. We have made ourselves donkeys because we are thieves. We have to change. If we are able to change our attitude and display honesty, business will grow, and growing business will employ more hands, and that is creating employment. Oh, but